Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Latitude Med Center and we're about to do a walkthrough of their 2-bedroom. And this is the hallway of what it looks like. It's very nice. It's super quiet. I can't hear anything here, mostly just me. So 3208, we're gonna walk in and it is a keyless entry. So let's walk in and take a look at it. Oh, wow, it's nice. So we are walking in here, and then of course we've got a bedroom over there, but our attention is drawn into this beautiful kitchen area. This is pretty stunning. I like all the windows that are here. It's going to really grab your attention if you live here. You also have not only a really nice kitchen area, the kitchen area is really pretty, some lovely appliances, beautiful cabinets. You've got, of course, the island that's here too. This would be great for just having some chairs around and people congregating around it. But you really have all the appliances, and these are pretty GE appliances. Look at these cabinets, super nice. I love all the white and then the brown complementary. But then you also have this this bar area. So you've got a wine fridge over here, and you can just kind of set up a bar area over here to serve your guests too. So that's really nice. But then honestly, you've got just some beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows. Look at these, it's just perfect. You don't need much light. You can just enjoy the light of the city anytime. Let's step out on the balcony. Let's see what it's like. So we're gonna step out and take a look. Oh wow, beautiful life here. Wow, look at this. So this is a very high floor here, and you've got a nice sized balcony, beautiful balcony to enjoy the city. This is the medical center area, and so you can see pretty much everything you need. There's also Houston, downtown Houston, just right down there. And man, what a great location. Love the light out here. So we're back inside, and now we're gonna take another video and we're gonna go look in the bedroom and the bathroom. If you like what you're seeing, or if you just have questions anytime and maybe you wanna get some more information about this apartment, use the number below, text it. That's my personal cell number. I'll get you information ASAP about this apartment. We can also compare other apartments if you need in the area, so that you know that you're having the best deal and the best prices. So let's now go into the bedroom, and we'll go to a new video right now.